and they are using VoIP protocols. They are using online platforms where they can hide the actual number and use international numbers, ISD calls. These calls may or may not be originating within India or outside India, so that is still subject of investigation. But my advisory is that I've already shared it on Twitter also, that parents should not panic if they receive such kind of calls. They should first verify where is their child right now and what is he doing and whether he's all right or not, and then they should with a lot of patience talk to whoever is calling and try to extract maximum information from him. Because if you bluff with him that okay, give me the account number from where we have to deposit the money, and if you give that account number to cyber police station, we can it can help us to trace that person. So I would advise that parents, you verify the authenticity, verify the genuineness of their claim, and make sure that your child is safe.